When it comes to finding the top interior designers in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a name that stands out. With their exceptional creativity and attention to detail, SCON Design has established themselves as one of the leading interior design firms in the area. Their team of highly skilled professionals is dedicated to transforming spaces into stunning visual masterpieces that reflect the client's unique style and preferences. SCON Design takes pride in their ability to create designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. They understand the importance of creating spaces that are not only beautiful but also serve a purpose. Whether it's a residential project or a commercial space, their team of experts works closely with clients to understand their vision and bring it to life. What sets SCON Design apart from other interior designers is their commitment to delivering high-quality workmanship. They believe that attention to detail is crucial in creating exceptional designs, and they go above and beyond to ensure that every aspect of the project is carefully considered and executed. From choosing the right materials to selecting the perfect color palette, their team pays meticulous attention to every little detail to create a space that exceeds expectations. Another reason why SCON Design is considered one of the top interior design firms in Marathahalli, Bangalore is their ability to work within budget constraints. They understand that every client has different financial limitations, and they strive to create designs that not only meet their clients' aesthetic preferences but also fit within their budget. SCON Design India Private Ltd is one of the top interior designers in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals, SCON Design has been delivering exceptional interior design services to clients for years. Their commitment to excellence and attention to detail have earned them a reputation as one of the best interior design firms in the area. As one of the top interior designers in Marathahalli, SCON Design understands the importance of creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. They believe that good design should enhance the lives of the people who use the space, and they strive to create designs that are tailored to the unique needs and preferences of each client. SCON Design's expertise extends to both residential and commercial projects. Whether it's a cozy home or a bustling office space, their team of top interior designers has the knowledge and skills to transform any space into a beautiful and functional environment. From concept development to final execution, SCON Design works closely with clients to ensure that their vision is brought to life. What sets SCON Design apart from other interior design firms is their commitment to innovation and creativity. They constantly stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in the industry, ensuring that their designs are not only visually stunning but also incorporate cutting-edge concepts. Their team of top interior designers is always pushing boundaries and thinking outside the box to create unique and inspiring spaces. SCON Design's portfolio speaks for